shared it with friends. Come take a bite. Sharing is caring, it feels so right. As the sun set, starfish yawned. Time to rest on the sandy lawn. He whispered goodnight.
Sometimes you just need a quick win for your YouTube channel animation that you are building, and you want to create something fun, quick, and not complicated. This video, we're going to create something like that for our YouTube channel, Zoey's Corner. To start recording your animation or creating your animation, you need to have an idea. And ChatGPT or Copilot also is very useful in order to help you with generating ideas for your animation channel. So once you've come up with an idea, when you've created nice lyrics that you could use, you're going to go to a music generating app like Suno. There's others that you could use, it's up to you. And then you add the lyrics there. You tell the tool what kind of music style you want, and then you create the song. Once you are happy with the song, you will download the song and then move over to Canva. And when we get to Canva, we are going to go and find our magic media. So once we get to magic media, we want to create graphics. Then you're going to describe what you want. I want a happy starfish for this tutorial and for my YouTube channel, Zoey's Corner. And once you've written exactly what you want, you're going to click on the styles and then you pick the style that you want. I want a geometric one, and then you pick the geometric and then you generate the graphics. And then you click on generate graphics. It starts thinking and generating for you. And then you have a starfish that you can create. So you can click and add the starfish to your canvas if you choose the one that you want. If you want more like that, you can always go to the 3 dots and generate more like that. Okay, we have our starfish. We've generated more. If you wanted to generate more, you could. And we are happy with our little starfish that we've created. So we are going to make this starfish move around and dance around based on the song. The other thing that you can do, because these little drawings are so easy to manipulate, if you wanted to make the starfish to sleep, you can always press C for circle and close the eyes so that you can change the emotion, the starfish's face, to exactly what you want. So I'm going to just copy the color next to the starfish so that it's exactly the same as the color of the starfish, and then I can manipulate it and add sleeping eyes. Then I could always go to my elements and I go to my shapes. Once you've created the different emotions, sleeping, shouting, scared, and you've done all of that, you're off to your next step of creating animation using Sketch. You're going to download this as a transparent background, and then you're going to use it on Sketch. So we're going to click on download. We don't want it as a video. We want a PNG, transparent background, and we want page number 3. Which we are currently busy with, and then we're going to download. Cool stuff. Then we're going to access Sketch, and we are going to upload this image of ours that we've downloaded from Canva, and we want different kinds of emotions from it. So we're going to download, and there it goes. We're happy. We're going to go next. And it has picked up all the corners of our starfish. We're happy. We're going to go next to make the points exactly where we want them to be, and we're gonna go next. Then you're gonna pick different kinds of variations, and then you download them, and then you use them on your video with Canva. So let's see this dance one, and you just pick the ones that you like to use on your animation with Canva. So let's say we like this one. Then we're going to click on that little star thing so that we access the download. Then we download it and escape, and then go back and download more ones that we would like to use. Now we're off to our last step. We're gonna go and upload the music that we've downloaded from Suno, and we just load it on here so that we can do our starfish adventure. Once the music is uploaded, you're gonna click and add it to your video, and then you start listening to the video.
Woke up in the deep blue sea.
And then when you listen, you adjust your video accordingly. So the best part about this is that when you go to your elements, when you search for cartoon underwater, and you just look for videos that are cartoon underwater, then you can start adding them and adding your text and adding the intro, and then creating the story. There are a lot of them that are available that you could use that are quite fun, and for you to just play around with them and have lots of fun. There's this one that we can add on. Then we can add our text as an introduction. Use a nice, bright, beautiful font that kids will love. Once you've introduced the video, you're just going to add a little bit of a snore. We do have a starfish on this page that shows us that he's sleeping. And then we're going to just make sure that we animate the second page. And we zoom in so that the starfish wakes up, because the song says that he wakes up. But for now, it says that he's sleeping. And then when he wakes up, we want to make sure that the starfish that is sleeping here is going to wake up there. So you're going to do your adjustments based on the song that you've created and the adjustments that you have created on your song. You'll align it and then create it and have a beautiful, easy to create animation for your channel. If you want to check out the full video, you can go to Zoey's Jamboree and go check it out there. But here's a little clip to show you how the end results looks like. Thank you so much for joining me. Please, please, please like the video so that I can get as many people as possible to start generating income using YouTube. I appreciate you. We will see each other on our next video.
Woke up in the deep blue sea, stretched his arms, it's a big day for me. He danced with the fishes, twirled all around, spinning and flipping, making ocean sounds. Swish, swash, starfish play, having adventures all through the day. Swish, swash, starfish sing, under the sea where the bubbles spring. He met a crab with a shiny red shell, they played hide and seek